To use the Chulux single-serve coffee brewer, turn the top knob to unlock and lift the lid. Add 5 to 12 ounces of water. They don't recommend distilled or reverse osmosis water. The amount of water that goes into the brewer comes out into the cup. Insert a K-cup or reusable K-cup into the cup holder. Close the lid and turn the knob to the locked position. Place a cup or mug on the drip tray and press the power button. The brewer shuts off when the brew cycle is complete. Remove the K-cup when you're done.